We are making a very good liquid fertilizer today for our plants. This will help plants grow faster, become greener, and give more flowers and fruits. Just like we need food to stay healthy, plants also need proper nutrition. When we give them the right nutrients, they grow beautifully and stay strong against diseases. For this, we are using yeast. Yeast is very beneficial because it contains many good nutrients that plants love. It has proteins and amino acids that help roots grow deeper and stronger. When roots become strong, the whole plant becomes healthy. We need 2 packets of dried yeast, each 11 grams. This must be mixed in 2 liters of slightly warm water. Warm water helps the yeast activate properly, allowing it to release its goodness faster. After adding the yeast to the water, we must mix it properly. Take a spoon or stick and stir it nicely so that the yeast completely dissolves. This step is important because if the yeast is not mixed properly, it will not work as effectively. Once the mixture is ready, we should cover the container. This is very necessary because direct sunlight can reduce the power of the yeast solution. Covering it will allow the yeast to activate nicely. We must leave it like this for about 30 to 40 minutes so that the yeast can release its nutrients fully. Once the time is up, the liquid is ready for use, but we cannot use it directly. It must be diluted first. Always remember, strong fertilizers can sometimes harm plants, so it is best to mix it with more water. The correct proportion is 1 part of this yeast solution with 5 parts of water. This means if we take 1 cup of the yeast mixture, we must add 5 cups of water to it. By doing this, the fertilizer will become balanced, and plants will absorb it better. Now it is time to give this liquid to the plants. Simply pour it near the roots. Plants take in nutrients through their roots, so adding this directly to the soil will help them absorb it easily. If possible, pour it in the morning or evening when the sun is not too strong. This way, the soil will remain moist, and the nutrients will reach the roots properly. Yeast fertilizer not only gives nutrients, but also helps improve the soil quality. It encourages good microbes in the soil, which break down organic matter and make more food available for plants. If we use this liquid regularly, we will see very good results. Plants will grow taller, their leaves will become greener, and they will start producing more flowers and fruits. This is especially good for vegetable plants, flowers, and fruit trees. Yeast contains nutrients that improve leaf growth, flower formation, and fruit production. Slowly, the plants will become much healthier, and we will get better harvests from our garden. For best results, this yeast fertilizer should be used once every 2 weeks. If used too often, plants may not be able to absorb all the nutrients properly. It is also important to water plants well after applying the fertilizer so that the nutrients spread evenly in the soil. Yeast-based fertilizer is a simple and effective way to keep plants healthy and strong. It improves plant growth, makes the soil rich, and increases the number of flowers and fruits. With just a little effort, we can give our plants the best nutrition and enjoy a beautiful, green, and thriving garden.